Hey guys, Houston here, and for those of you just finding my YouTube channel, welcome. And today's video is very exciting, especially if you're a Shopify seller. The reason is, would you like to get access to 120 million visitors per week? Well, if that's you, then guess what? Shopify has just partnered up with Walmart. And so what that means is that since if you are a Shopify seller, you'll be able to sell your products on Walmart's platform. Now this is huge. The reason it's huge because there's a lot of people that are fighting against Amazon and trying to compete against Amazon with their Shopify store, and they keep on losing out. Well, by Walmart partnering up with Shopify, now you're able to compete on a bigger level because you get access to Walmart's 120 million visitors per week. Now, here's something that I always tell people that are small business owners, even in e-commerce, as a Shopify sellers, one of the things that I truly tell you to do to keep you on a bigger platform is to set up the corporation. And again, for those of you that just finding the YouTube channel, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. But the reason you want to set up self-corporation because you want to eliminate the taxes, okay? And setting up the corporation, or by allowing a consultation with three-way funding to show you how to set up the corporation properly, I promise you, you can eliminate your taxes down to zero. That's what you want to do, because the more money you keep in your pockets and inside the business, the faster you're able to grow your business. Because if you're selling on Walmart platform, and again, since they have 125 million visits per week, giving you more exposure. So you may have a product that a lot of people will start buying and stuff, and you sell out. Well, the thing about it, because you have to pay this large tax bill, you don't have enough capital to reinvest back into your product to keep the business going. Now, that's one of the reasons that you want to do, but also another reason is to help you qualify for business loans. Now, those of you that have been selling on Shopify, of course you know that you can get a business loan from Shopify. But with Walmart partnering up with Shopify, it's going to even make it a sweeter situation for Shopify sellers to be able to qualify for business loans without actually having to go to traditional banks. Now, here's the thing about it. Say that you understand when revenue's coming into your business, okay, and from your Shopify store, having that revenue going into, say, like a PayPal account or a Square account, right? Okay, then you're able to qualify for a loan through them. Then cashing out through a business bank account, again, you're able to borrow money from their business bank account as well. Now you're also able to borrow from Shopify as well as Walmart. So you have 4 different type of entities that you can borrow from so that you can continue keeping the business going. Now, people that want to start their online store and stuff like that, many of them, they may start with drop shipping, right? They may start with drop shipping. Okay, and which is great. The reason is because with drop shipping, especially partnered up with Shopify, you don't have to buy any of the products. The reason is they have software built in called Oberlo. Excuse me if I misspelled that, but it's called Oberlo. I think that's what it is. It's Oberlo. But at the same time, that's where you may see a product that's selling, that's a real hot item and stuff, and you don't have the money to buy it up front. So you use Oberlo, you take an image of it, then whenever somebody purchases that product, they actually ship it out for them, and then you get the profits from after they have paid for the shipping and the product. So this is what the basis of this drop shipping is. Then you have the private labeling. Okay. Now this is huge. So if you're a person that's trying to build a brand, right? If you're a person that's trying to build a brand around a certain product brand or whatever, then you have private labeling rights. And the thing about it, you can go through AliExpress to do both of these, right? So that way, say that you like this market here, right? And you want to put your logo or brand on it, so it's private label. So then when somebody buy it, they're getting familiar with your brand. So as you start to sell more stuff and it has your brand on it, that's private labeling, okay? And you're building a bigger platform. And also, again, you're using AliExpress. Now, there are other platforms other than AliExpress, but AliExpress is one of the bigger platforms, and a lot of people use them that sell on Shopify as Shopify sellers. Okay, so if you want to learn how to set the company up or schedule a one-on-one consultation on how to set the corporation up, then click the link below. But again, this is huge news because a lot of people that are selling on Shopify, but they're not able to pay for a lot of the traffic and stuff, and the expense of marketing and stuff is steady eating up a lot of their dollars, right? But being exposed to 120 million of guaranteed visits from Walmart.com, this is going to change the game for you. So this is Houston with three-way funding. Again, don't forget to check out three-way funding and set up a consultation with three-way funding. And for those of you that want to start setting up your Shopify store, you can click the link below. But this is very important for you to start leveraging actually how to build a business using a bigger platform and taking the benefits of it. So this is Houston with three-way funding. Thank you.